I really like it, actually.
Right? Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Pots, Pans, and Priscilla. Have you been missing me? Don't answer that, no. Drop down in the comments, let me know, what have you been doing the last few months? I've been super busy, but I'm back and I'm bringing you a super simple recipe. This could be a quick lunch or like a snack, whatever you want it to be. So let's get cooking. So today we're gonna be making a recipe that I keep following on TikTok, and it's like a cucumber salad but with a little twist, and of course in Priscilla fashion we're gonna add a few more ingredients to it. So we're gonna use bell pepper, mini cucumbers, ginger dressing, everything but the bagel seasoning. This is a fun new ingredient I've never used, but it's chili crunch, so we'll see how that works. And then for me, I'm gonna add red onion, minced garlic, and some feta cheese. I'm super excited to work with these little mini cucumbers. I don't get them very often, so I'm excited to see how this works. We're gonna go rinse everything off. While we're over there, let's go ahead and get our bell peppers out. I'm gonna figure out like how many we need to use. This is obviously a big bag. We don't need to use that many, but maybe like 5 is, we're gonna start with 5. I wish they had red in here, but this bag does not have red. So, orange and yellow it is. So like fall. Look at that, it's gonna be so pretty. I'm excited. This is a pretty dish. I hope it tastes good. I'm excited to have my little fall colored lunch, and then I have my super cute fall slippers on. I mean, it is 85 degrees outside, but it's fine. It's fine, you guys. Time for battle with an onion. Okay, so here's a little tip for you. If you're working with different ingredients, you want them to be the same size. Like kind of, you know, and so I'm gonna use the middle parts of the rings of the onion, but I'm not gonna use like the outer ring, but I am gonna save them because we can use them in a salad. Okay, there we go. I feel like I need a little more than that though. Now comes the fun part. This is when you get to add like the ingredients that are gonna make this just over the top. So I have minced garlic, probably about a tablespoon is what I'm gonna add. Again, it depends on how many other ingredients you have. Then I'm going to add ginger dressing. This is my favorite. Give it a good shake and then pour it over the top. I'm going to use the rest that's in here. So I would say that was probably about 1/4 cup. Yeah, 1/4 cup. So then give it a good little stir. This is also going to have great leftovers. So you could put it in the fridge, put it in a little container, and you could use it as a side dish for any kind of recipe or like a meal. But we're gonna have it for lunch today. Then I'm gonna add my everything but the bagel seasoning. This is just, you know, just eyeballing it. Gives it that little bit of crunch, so that'll be fun. Next up, I have my chili crunch. I'm excited to use this. I've never tried it. I don't know what it's gonna taste like. I'm a little bit nervous. It smells really good. This is kind of what it looks like, but we're gonna go in with our spoon. Oh, okay, I'm trying to feel the texture. So everybody's been putting in like 1 and then like 2. But I feel like we have a lot, so maybe a little bit extra. A little dab will do ya. Okay, we're gonna mix this up, see kind of what it looks like. Oh my goodness. I hope it's good. I'm not gonna lie, I just tasted one. Maybe less chili crunch. It's a little bit spicy. Maybe less chili crunch, more ginger dressing. Just a little tip for you. Now, I am gonna add some feta. I think that's just gonna be good with it. You don't have to do that, but it's what I'm doing. Look, it makes it so pretty. Okay. Let me dish it up. Give Asa some. See what he thinks. He doesn't like spicy like I do. So we'll see what happens. I got a little excited with the chili crunch. It's so good, but ooh, I could add balsamic and that could take away some of the spiciness. It's really good though. Good flavors.
I really like it, actually.
Right?
But it hits you in the back of the throat a little bit. You know? It's good.
Yeah. Let me get some balsamic. Hold on. You're turning red. So chili crunch is hot. Maybe I should taste things before I just throw them on there, huh? Try that.
That's good too.
Right?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, a little less, honestly, seriously. Like, I kind of lost my ability to withstand spicy food at some point. I don't know. Things change when you get older. It's good.
Yeah. I really
A little
like
bit
it.
less chili crunch. Other than that, it's so good.
I'm a fan. I need to know. Are you going to try this out? What's your like level of spiciness? So obviously you could make this whole thing. And if you don't like spicy, leave out the chili crunch altogether. I would add in like a balsamic. I think that would add another great flavor to it if you don't like that spicy. So thank you so much for hanging out. Glad to be back. And we will see you next time. Bye guys.